My Brooklyn era after 2 years is over, so move back to Manhattan with me with Piece of Cake moving. I get super anxious whenever I move, so thank God I had them. Rose and I, we went on our last coffee run of our Brooklyn era, which was so sad, so sad. And then Piece of Cake showed up right on time. I didn't have to do anything, didn't have to lift a finger, literally just took a photo in their truck, and they packed up all of my belongings. I love the color of this truck. What can I say? It's kind of great. They were so nice. Frankie absolutely loved them. And then we were off back to the new apartment, which is so exciting. Leaving Brooklyn on the Brooklyn Bridge was a big moment. I got to my new spot and Piece of Cake literally unpacked everything. Once again, did not have to do a single thing. We just ate sushi on the boxes, and yeah, that was literally the most stress-free move I've ever had. The movers were so nice, so can't recommend more.